What's up, party people? Joel Gamoran here, the head chef over at Homemade, back with another edition of Your Week Sorted. This is where we give you guys an incredible strategy to go to the grocery store and feel like your entire week is set up for success. We call it the 5-4-3-2-1 method. It's 5 vegetables, 4 proteins, 3 fruits, 2 starches, and 1 dairy. And today we're making the most amazing braised pork sandwiches. I have a Dutch oven here. I'm just gonna add a lot of olive oil. Then I just go right in with my pork, everyone in the pool. Beautiful, and then just salt and pepper it right in the pot. Cool, the key here is to not move it, not mess with it. Let it sear, and then we'll kind of stir it. But with braising, it's searing, then a little bit of liquid, cook it low and slow. That's what I'm talking about, that's great. All right, so once one of them is brown, just kind of give the whole thing a good mess. All right, I'm gonna add a little bit of onions in here. Some tomato paste. Tomato paste is gonna help make this rich, sticky, and absolutely deliciously caramelized. So I'm just gonna kind of work that in there. Then I'm gonna take some chicken stock, and you just want enough to kind of coat the pork. Slap on the lid. Put this in a 350-degree oven for a couple of hours until the pork shreds, or keep it on the stove top, just turn it down to low, and again, a couple hours until the pork kind of falls apart. All right, so with our kale this week, I did a really cool thing where I cut the kale up really small and then massaged a little bit of lemon juice and olive oil into it, almost like a salad. And you can keep this in the fridge all week. Obviously incredible for salads, but really good as like a little topper as well. Baguette is on the menu this week, which is awesome. So I just cut my baguette in half. All right, and then grab your favorite cheese. I absolutely love provolone. This one is the best because it's smoky, delicious, awesome. And then the win here is just to kind of open up that baguette really wide, and then just a couple of pieces of that provolone. Broiler on, I'm just gonna pop this in for about 2 minutes. All right, so while the bread is kind of melting, you can take a look at this gorgeous braise. Look at that. The liquid kind of cooked away, and the pork itself is just, look at this. It's just fork tender. You can just take your finger and just kind of bend it and shred it. Awesome. And at the very end, there's a cool little trick. I do 2 things to really brighten it. The green olives, put those in, and then raw garlic. We're not gonna cook this garlic, just toss it in at the end, and I just grate it. Got our little baguette, and then you just grab a little bit of that pork. You just kind of go right on top. Then just a little bit of that kale that we massaged with lemon and olive oil. And that is a sandwich I think fit for anyone. For more recipes like this, you can check the link below. Thanks so much for tuning in, and have a great week. We're all in this together. See ya.